coming in now, the music's going to shut out.
CTE Signing Day, it's exciting. It's when all the high school students come in and commit, start a new process for their lives. When all the community comes in and offers their more support and encourage all the students to keep in the same path for success. So that's when they come in and then they decide which path to take.
And why are you here today?
I'm here to start my career in the welding program. Good program, great, heard lots about it, great school. We're gonna start up our careers here.
And did the signing day really help, or?
The signing day really helped. They really got me to get to know my instructor and everybody else that can help me with my career.
All right, Oswaldo Bencamo. Diego Velasquez. Nice to meet you. And last but not least, Lily Kent. Nice to meet you, Lily. Great. All right.
That's how we do it at the
Put your hat on. There you go. Go ahead and take a picture for your mom first.
And Spencer Simons.
Ashley Fincher from Eagle Point. And Rebecca Henning from Grand Pass. And Satali Borrero.
Clancy Allen was the hidden value student that we didn't have coming, so HV gave us 2 also. And then finally, Brandon Knott from South Medford High.